Good morning. Welcome to the KSE Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, April 7th, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stand for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Today's announcements. Please post attendance PST. All PST documentation should be current. Cell phones. Students should not have cell phones in class. If students bring a cell phone to school, it must remain in backpack, powered off. Outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts that do not follow our uniform policy. Once students come into the building and are in classrooms, outerwear should meet uniform guidelines. No hoodies. Important dates. April 4th through 6th. 4th grade ELA ACAP, April 4th through 8th, National School Library Week, also National Assistant Principal Week, April 7th through 11th, 5th grade ELA ACAP, April 11th through 15th, 4th and 5th grade Math ACAP, April 15th, Pre-K Egg Hunt, April 17th through 23rd, Spring Break, April 25th through 29th, 4th grade Science ACAP, Administrative Professionals Week, April 26th, Math PLT.
Easter candy grams. Candy grams for sale. Turn in your form to your teacher. They cost $1 each. More information will go home with students today.
That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday.
K Shepherd.